good though. The mangroves got a little water on them right now. And it's just the starter outgoing right now, so it should be a pretty good day, I hope. Got a little crab trap out the water. Don't worry about it, in an hour that thing will be gone.
People put them there and get some crab and then come pick it up?
Probably, or it's from a storm and it washed up there and nobody gives a fuck about it.
Well, no, if it's not marked, then it's fair game.
Yeah.
I know you can crab and you don't have to have it like tagged or nothing on the crab.
No, just throw it in the water.
If you're there, but I mean if it's...
When it's low, when it's like outgoing tide and the water getting low, they don't go too far. So right now they're closer to the mangroves, but when the water gets lower, all they do is really just get all the mixed in between all of this open water right here. Bro.
He's big.
Thank you, bro. Good look. So now we can get that other small one out there. Get him, get him. Real. That's another nice one. I'm gonna record this one.
Let me get up here.
Yeah, and I'll get this one out the net.
Coming around.
All right. Nice, bro. Yes, sir, ski.
Hey.
You got him?
Yeah.
Nice. You can release him. Heck yeah, brother. Doing the thing.
Double up.
Stand up top. Yeah, it's a red. Nice, bro.
You got a net?
Yeah, I got the net. Nice red, too. Take your time with him, man. Take it easy.
Run a little bit.
The biggest red you have ever caught, bro. Nice. Heck yeah, bro. Heck yeah, bro.
I didn't think he was still there.
He's a keeper too, bro. I got you real quick. Let me get these fish real quick.
All right, well, do what you gotta do, man.
No. I want you to get a film. I want you to be able to hold them, bro. Make sure you don't flop in the water. Hold that net like that. Hey, that's what I'm talking about, bro. That's what I'm talking about, brother. Unless the current had them. I think this might be a dink. Or it might be a catfish. Oh, it's a red. No, I don't need it. I don't need it.
You sure?
Yeah, I'm alright. He's not that big. I'm gonna just cut the hook for this guy because he's bleeding like crazy.
Huh?
So I'm gonna just cut the hook on him because he's bleeding so bad. Third fish of the day. Little piece of that little piece of what you call it, bro?
I told you I saw something over there.
Make sure you don't get them in the trolling motor now. Yeah, you can stand up top if you want to. Kevin catching dinner, baby. Rod tip up. Yeah, that's another one. He's not a big one. He might be a keeper. I don't know if he will though. He might not keep.
I don't think he's a keeper.
Yeah, no, he's not a keeper. Still another fish for you, bro. And you caught him with that little piece of bait. And that was fast too. I think I just seen one tail over there. Before we go across the way over here, I want to try right up in this spot, like on the other side of this. See, his boat's longer. You can tell just by looking at this over here. Oh, manatee.
Where?
Right up in front of us. And a sea turtle. Cast out over here.
Where'd you go?
Oh my god, that was one. Fucking yanked it to me.
Wait, were you trying to set the hook?
Yeah, the excitement, bro.
Did you get like right in that little pocket?
You see that right there? That wasn't a mullet. That one right over there was. The one over here closer to that tree was not a mullet. Just cast out over here. Just cast out over here. That was all.
Oh shit. Someone just came and bit it while I was undoing the tip.
Can't fish down,
That was a mullet. I don't know about the other one. I didn't cross you, did I?
Get it or something, but we're gonna shoot across. Already?
Yeah. I'm gonna bring him right over here.
Is he big?
I don't think so, but I said that last time.
Nah, he's big. Just flip him in the boat.
Huh?
Yeah, you can just flip him in the boat.
Looks like a garlic butter on him.
Yeah, I like to leave them with the shells on and throw them on the flat top. Couple nice keepers today. Some big old keepers, cooler size fish, baby. Get a thing of you holding one. Nice picture for my boy. That way nobody can't say you ain't the man out here, man. The GoPro got a nice picture. Let me get my phone out.